Bakit?
If I were you, better move along.
Face ata. Dua! 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 Hoy!
How many are you? 3?
3.
You know, Hal is so very fun there. You get very excited to see you guys. So excited to see them.
Yep. Uy! Yes, you are all excited to see it. We're going to the circles of
Here now, guys. Following year, I will guide you inside.
House of Darkness.
Here, listen to me. Keep quiet, guys. Open your eyes. Stairs only. No one is scared, okay? Upstairs, stairs, doors, start, upstairs, telling, okay? Sit down and enjoy the show.
Thank you. Thank you. May sinasabihan ba dito eh? May sinasabihan ba dito pag feeling ko?
Yeah.
Alam ko may susundo sa atin siya. Saan hindi ka actor dito? Alam ko may susundo dito sa atin pag ano. Or ito na yun, nagsisimula na. Maybe. Boy! Nakakulog lang yun, tsaka ito na. O yun ba sa camera ko yun?
Just the three of you, welcome to the House of Darkness. My name is Giovanni Gustav, and I'm the caretaker of this mansion. Are you ready?
Yes!
Very well, let's go!
Nilabas. House of Darkness. Wow, focus na kay airport. Marami na multo talaga.
Welcome to the foyer! We prepared something for you! From here on, remember the name. Anastasia.
Anastasia. Anastasia.
Anastasia what?
Kapatid ni Cinderella. May binanggit pa ata ka. Hi, Ma. Ta. Mas kayo nakawak. Lumapit yung mayos. Saka yung nakasakto. Sinusundan niya tayo. O, dito na nasunod ba? Hindi niya po. Anyone? May sisig na ito. Parang nakaiba to. Bakit ba? Ano ba ang call? Face ata. Oh, dito ka kasi. Basta na siya. Gago! Yakala House of Darkness. Teka na, mami!
ano.
Alam mo may isa dyan.
Daon. Hindi, ano yan? Karton.
Mark Anthony.
Ala?
Boys up, boys up, boys up.
Natatakot ako.
Bakit?
If I were you, better move along and find your way up.
Yeah, man.
Tahan natin ang lugar kung saan may mga bata doon.
Watch your back
na.
daw.
Yes, dagal natin sa
Even better,